Quack, quack.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I just came from the grocery and as you can see, I've already fixed everything. I didn't know where to place the camera if you were to watch me like do the fast forward fixing thing. I already have something on the stove. It's chicken mechado, I think. But the main dish for today is the Peking duck. Quiet. I put down the blinds because there's a glare behind me, and now we are going to finally I've been putting this on hold for the longest time because I didn't want to go through the hassle of making it, but there was nothing left in my freezer earlier, like before we went to the grocery, so I decided to cook this today. So let's get started. But before that, do subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notifications bell button to know every time I upload a new video. Wait, let me mix this. Okay, so about the Peking duck. I watched like 2 or 3 YouTube videos on how to do it.
Do not come for me.
I'm gonna do it my way. Let's begin. Look at it first, it's big. There, it's huge. Yeah, it has the head on. Wait, I need to wash this first. Okay, I'll put this here. There's a head. No. It's peeing. Okay, mix. And then I'm gonna put some peppers. Yeah, these are free from Yellow Cab, and I like using them for my food as well, to add some spice into it. Maybe about 10 minutes and this is done. Let's scoot over to the Peking duck. Oh my god, those eyes. Okay, I already washed this and it says that I need to pat it dry. Okay, now that it's dry, they said that I need to separate the skin from the meat. Oh my god, how do I do this? Oh my god, I can't. Okay, now that it's dry, I'm supposed to make something to baste it. So for that, I'll be needing hoisin sauce and vinegar and some water. Okay, so I'm heating the pan. I'll put in some water, some hoisin sauce, and some vinegar. And then I'll mix it and wait for it to boil. There. While waiting for that to boil, I want to prepare the stuffing, and these are the only things I want to use as stuffing. Oh, it's already boiling. Let's go back. Let me show you. Okay, so I guess that's good. And now we will give the duck a bath. I think it's also good that the head is still on, so I can hold it this way. Yeah. And then while here, can you see this? We'll give it a bath. Yeah. There.
A heart bath. All over your body, all over your body. All over.
Make sure that you put it all over the duck. I think this is where the color comes from. And then let's hope we get it nice and crispy later. Why, seriously though, I need a bigger plate for this. Okay, there. And as you can see, I already turned off the chicken. I'll be pouring it in this.
Ouch! Ow!
There. Ooh, yummy. I'll set this aside. There. Now, time to begin our stuffing. Yeah. So, I got this spring onions. That and wash it. And then I also got some turmeric ginger. Well, because it didn't have the regular ginger. And because I like how this tastes like. And it will provide some color as well. Let me wash it. And as long as you wash it thoroughly, you don't need to take out the skin.
It's clean. Don't worry. That's good. I can smell it. It's fresh. That's good.
This can stain your hands, your clothes, your countertop, so be careful when handling turmeric ginger. Okay, so for this, I'll be using salt, pepper, and some soy sauce. I will be rubbing some salt
Here.
all over it, basically. The outside and the inside. So that you can also get flavor from the inside. Okay. Next is the pepper. And then now I will put these in. And then the soy sauce inside as well. Now it's ready! As you can see, I've already cleaned the surface because I'm using my turbo broiler.
Now I'm putting this in. Sorry for the fit, but it's
Oh, I think I wanna remember the sauce. I wanna put some inside as well. Inside. There. Just a little. Okay, and it's done. Put it at 175 and 30 minutes. Go. Chicken Mechado Invento. Okay, so there. The duck is called the Peking duck, but I'm doing it my own way. I don't want to use the oven. That's why I use the turbo broiler. Okay, what did I change? Basically the stuffing. There's a lot more things they put in as stuffing,
that
but to me sometimes
what we use
the
for
flavor,
baking
we need to use that and put it inside. Ingredients,
Use
the
the
oven,
really
notice the flavor.
So
I sometimes skip those because to me it's a waste of ingredient if you don't really like the taste or flavor, or you won't sense it anyway. 20 minutes are up. Let's see. Okay, so for this side, let's give it, I think, 10 more minutes. Yeah. Let me tap it. No, it's not yet crunchy. More. While waiting for that, I'm gonna eat first. I have bananas again. Yay! Ooh, nice. That's the perfect color. And it's crunchy. I can feel it. So now let me turn it over. this other side, yeah, it's still white. So let's give it some time. So now while waiting, I'm looking for how to carve or slice Peking duck. Wow, this is looking and smelling oh so good. Wow. Are you focused? Looks like I'm in. I looked into YouTube on how to slice a Peking duck. One is how they slice it up in a restaurant. Like they cut the skin out first into squares. And the other one is like just chop it, bone in. So I'm thinking of doing the bone in method. Ooh, that sounds crunchy. Okay, it's done and we will chop. Look to me. Smells good. I can smell the onion. So how do we do this? Wait, let me take out the head first. Wow, the oil is really oozing out. I wanna put some tissues here so the oil won't drip to the floor. Okay, let's do this.
Hello. Hello.
Quack, quack. Okay, so what I saw was they cut it in half first. Oh god.
Quack, quack.
Yes, I'm a legit cookster. Now you're wondering why am I trying so hard to cut it while it's hot? Because I want to finish this. You know me. I've been waiting for this for like an hour or 40 minutes and I want to get this done. So before we move forward, I want to taste it. Ooh, okay. Oh my god. It's good. So I'm finally getting somewhere. The method that I found that worked with me, you know me, is I cut it like that and then I use my scissors for the bone. There. Oh my god.
I'm so tired.
I wasn't able to successfully cut my duck. So here it is in 4 parts. There. So basically the duck tastes great. The skin is crunchy. The meat is tender. The only problem is the carving or cutting. Like I can't do it. So in that part I'm a fail. I cannot present a very nice plated duck whatever. So but all in all, it's the flavor that matters, right? Okay, that's all for today. Oh, and this is the chicken Mechado invento. Bye!